Hi guys, it's Lana here, and in today's video I wanted to give myself a challenge. I wanted to see if I could save some money, okay? I'm always falling on a budget. If I can save money, I will. In this video, I'm gonna try out the cheapest curly hair products that I can possibly find. Because you guys know, we are living in a curly hair age. The markets, you know, the economy is not good, but all of these brands, they know that us curly girls want our curls to be popping, so they are charging us a bomb for products and they're getting away with it. Well, not today, I said, not today. Not today, no, not today. Today, I'm gonna go and find somebody who is taking care of us with the cheap, good prices. Cheap is not always a good thing. Cheap means bad quality, low quality. But what we're trying to find here is a good balance.
Turn to page 394.
I mean, Amazon is not that cheap. Because at the moment it's showing me price low to high is $1.99. Amazon, what are you doing? I know there are cheaper products than $1.99. It's $1.99. Like, that's not even that cheap. My Primark Kohl range is £2. Okay, here we have one, 99p, okay, 99 pence. And it's the Curly Kids Hair Care Original Products range. I mean, they've got a custard jelly. What does that look like? Defines and controls your cut. It's $5.65. Oh my God, don't you hate that when you go and order, like, you go and choose through the options, and because you've picked one option, it's more expensive. What are we gonna do? Let's go to eBay. They have an activating cream, but it's $4.89. Come on. 100 mil? 100 mil is like travel size. I literally searched curly hair and the first result is instant noodles. You think you're funny, huh? You think you're real slick, huh? I think we may have found the one, because this product from here at Boots is 250 mil, $1.99, okay? So we're getting better value for money here. And it has 5 stars actually. This is a curl cream. It's the Boots Essentials curl cream. It's natural control and it defines. I mean, I'm pretty sure the ingredients are gonna be trash. I think we should have a look at the reviews. People say this is a great product for natural curls, great value, and such a shame to see that it's no longer on the shelves. What do you mean it's no longer on the shelves? Bring it back. What are you talking about? I need this. Someone says my daughter has spiral curls and this does just what I need it to do without having to put too much product in her hair. So it sounds like it's even gonna have like good payoff. Like, you don't need to use a lot to get it to work. No, people are saying I'm so sorry it's discontinued. What are you talking about? What do you mean? But I have one in my basket. What do you mean? I literally just put it in my basket. Maybe it's like back by popular demand. I actually really want this now. I really want this. Okay, let me see how much postage is on this product. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this up from my local Boots store. I'm checking. It seems to be in stock everywhere. I don't know what people were talking about. It's been discontinued. It's off the shelves and all of this. Clearly, they brought it back by popular demand. So I'm excited. I'm gonna pick it up next time I'm out and about, because it's not gonna be today because I don't go out these days. I'm excited. I'm excited. We're gonna try it. Today is a new day. In my possession, I now have the cheapest curly hair cream that you can find on the British market, that you can find online or that you can find on the high street. If you guys know a cream that is specifically designed for curly hair that is cheaper than this, then drop it in the comments. But the best that I could find was the Boots Curl Cream. Ooh la la, parlez-vous en français? Curl crème. I found this on Fenchurch Street. I was gonna go to Farringdon. I forgot about it in Farringdon. I went to Fenchurch Street after I had the chemical peel actually. There's a little Boots in there. This one was tiny. It's just tiny. It had like 4 aisles. I thought I wasn't gonna find this in there. I did. It was right on the bottom shelf, but they had it. We are mainstream, ladies. It controls and nourishes to smooth away frizziness, enhance your shine, and hold your curl without weighing it down. So this is what Boots had to say about animal testing. Thank you for contacting Boots. We do not use animal testing on our products, nor do we have animal testing conducted on behalf of us or by anybody else. Instead, we ensure product safety through state-of-the-art testing on human volunteers. Comparison moment. We need to compare. Okay, now we need to compare against the other one. So this is the one that I have been using lately. This was the cheapest thing I could find before. I took it with me on all of my travels because it's so cheap and I could pack a whole bunch of it into my suitcase. It's £2. So it's a penny more than the Boots Essentials Curl Cream. It's the PS Curl range from Primark, the curl defining cream. And guess what size this is? You know, they love to fool you. Like, you might think the same size. No, this has got almost half as much product as what this has got in it. This has only got 150 ml. This has 250 ml. So if you think about it, if this has only got half as much product as this, that means this bottle is twice as expensive as this. Okay, I'm gonna go and wash my hair and then we can test out my new little friend here and see what we think. Guess who's back? Back again. Back again for a brand new invention. What? I used the Revlon Realistic products and I just used the Bouclair May. I just used that as leave-in conditioner. So now we have this, and this is supposed to be our shine, our definition, all of that good stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a dollar. Oh my gosh, it's way thicker than I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be like super gloopy, but it kind of has like some thickness to it, right? Like not as thick as the Eco Stylist, but it's like thicker than I thought it was gonna be. Ah! Do you see this? Look what it's doing. I look like that girl that does like the ponytail tutorials. Okay. Make sure it's evenly distributed because I don't want some areas to be like frizzy and then some areas to be super defined. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I think maybe I have too much product on my hair. You can see it. And that is a mixture of leave-in conditioner and curl cream. That's a lot. Oh my gosh, what? That's like always the toughest thing, like when you try a new product, how much of it do you use? Well, sis, I'm here to show you. Not that much. No, this is too much. How did this happen? You guys saw how much I put on, surely. What the heck? Next step is scrunching because we want some bouncy, shiny, happy curls. I'm just gonna scrunch forever. I'm scrunching for the rest of my life. Just scrunching. Now at this point you can do pretty much anything. Just wait until your hair dries. That's all I'm gonna do. So let the games begin. What you can currently see on your screens is a blank image, a black background. You guys don't know what my hair looks like, but I do. I wonder if you can sense in my voice how I feel about the outcome of using this curl cream. The cheapest curl cream that I could find on the British High Street, online, anywhere. I'm gonna count down and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. 3, 2, 1. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Let me tell you, my hair is defined. It's springy. It's shiny. There's ringlets. It's juicy. Oh my gosh. I love you. I love it a lot. I can't believe it, you guys. I mean, I can't drive this home enough. This literally costs £1.99 for 250 ml. That's pretty good. What I can see is that it doesn't contain dimethicone. A lot of stuff like this always has dimethicone in it. This one doesn't. But I'm pretty sure that the other stuff that it has is just as bad, if not worse. Like, I'm not a scientist, but I think that probably phenoxethanol, polyquaternium 10, benzophenone, you know, I mean, they're probably not great for your overall health of your hair in the long run. You know, if you're looking for a quick little fix, if you're looking for something that works with your curly hair that's cheap, I think they got you, boo. I think they got you. So I should say goodnight to you guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching. As always, I truly appreciate it. Whether I am making a useful video like this one, or if I'm experimenting something, or even if I'm just telling you about my daily life in a vlog, I truly appreciate it whenever you guys watch it. Remember to thumbs up the video. Definitely drop your product suggestions in the comment section down below. Help the sisters out everywhere, worldwide, because this is a Boots product. And you know, Boots is UK. And you know, lots of you guys are not in the UK. So new fave right here, new fave. Holy Grail alert. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye. Summer, summer, summer.